everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the AB. In today's video, we will be talking about, or trying for the first time, the Mane Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote 24 Karat Glistening Gold Twisting Gel. That is a mouthful. I don't know what's up with y'all brands with these long names, but do y'all thing. We will be testing this out today and I'm very excited. I know I'm super late to the train, y'all. I am 2 years late. I think this came out back in 2017. So yeah, we are late, but better late than never. So we're gonna be trying that out today. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and right next to it, go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified for whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So upon opening the packaging, the first thing you see is this beautiful gold. I don't know if y'all can see it because I'm afraid to spill it. But it's just pretty. I don't know what to tell y'all. It's gold, it has gold flakes in it, and it's really nice. So I'm actually very excited to try this out. Okay. I feel like I put a lot in this first little section, so it's probably going to take some time to dry, but it does have like white residue when twisting it, so I don't know. I'm just hoping and praying that it dries up, because we know how my textured hair is, y'all boys. We know that we have 4C hair out here, which will trap any type of particle. I think that's why I don't like using gels. It's not the gel, it's me. It's my hair. So we're gonna see. So my hands are very sticky. I'm not gonna lie about that. I don't know if I could hear when I take it apart. All right, guys, so I am back, and the product says that it delivers amazing definition for twist outs and braid outs, and I must agree with that. Like, I mean, I don't really even have to like come in closer for y'all to see. The definition is amazing, especially for unraveling my hair, and I still have a lot of definition and, you know, curls and whatnot, whatever. I love it. I'm not gonna lie. This is the most defined twist out I've probably ever had. So A++ on that. Helps to mend damage and restore health. I'm not gonna know until, you know, after I wash my hair and all that stuff. Depending on how much hair I lose, then I'll know. Gentle enough for daily use. Moisturizes hair. My hair does feel moisturized even though I use the gel. I've tried a wash and go. I filmed it. It was a fail to the max, so I didn't even like upload it or anything like that. It was a hot mess. But for this gel, like, I have probably just a little bit of flaking, and I honestly can say it probably was because I was heavy-handed, because throughout the rest of my hair, I was heavy-handed in some areas in the front, but throughout the rest of my hair, I literally like don't see any flakes or like residue in my hair, and that's a big thing for me in terms of using gels. So yeah. And then it says loaded with fatty acids, omega-3, 6, and 9, helps to replenish hair and fight against split ends. So honestly, with everything that it claims to do in terms of defining the twist out, it definitely did that. Like, I cannot complain with my results at all. My hair looks amazing. One thing that I did realize, the bigger the twist, the less defined the curl is. So just FYI, if you're gonna use like these, were a lot bigger, and I didn't even separate this, and this is the definition for it. So I think like the next time I do it, I'm gonna make sure that my twists remain small. I did do this on semi-dry hair. I just made sure that my roots were dry for the most part, and then the rest of my hair was wet, because using a gel, your hair is gonna get back wet again anyways. So yeah, I don't really have much to say about this product because it's that amazing, and I feel like I don't have to say much because you can see the results with how my hair looks like. Y'all, this is the business. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, and I do not vouch for gels at all, but I will vouch for the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel. Y'all got me. You got me. You got me. You got me. The price of this is, I think this retails for about $15 to $16. Don't quote me on that because I don't know for sure how much this costs, but I got this from my local Sally's. So the price may vary depending on the location that you purchase this from, but I got this from Sally's, I believe, for either $15 or $16, y'all. I honestly don't have any more words. I'm just very satisfied with the results of my hair for using a gel. Y'all know me. I am a cream-based girl, and the Main Choice said, nah, sis, try me. And, you know, I saw it in Sally's, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna give her a try and see if I like her, and I love her. So this is going to be probably what I lean towards when doing my twist outs, just because the definition is bomb. I am gonna see if it withstands the Florida heat, but I doubt it. Nothing really ever withstands the Florida heat because it's so humid, and then on top of that it's hot. So if it, you know, if the definition is still here even with the heat, y'all, then this really is going to be bae. Like, don't even talk to me. I don't want to hear it. I know my colors are popping. Thank you, I appreciate it. All right, guys, so that is it. Thank you guys so very much for watching this video. Leave in the comment section below what other products you would like me to try, to use for the first time, or just to give a review on. Just let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you went through this whole video and you watched me through the whole video, obviously you like me because you watched the whole thing and you are still listening to me talk. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified for whenever I upload a new video. And then go ahead and press that like button, y'all, because smash the like button, hit the like button, click the like button, whatever you want to do with the like button. Just make sure it turns blue or gray, whatever color screen you have on your phone, computer, whatever. Just make sure it lights up, okay? The YouTube algorithm for small YouTubers is pretty much non-existent, so by you liking my video, it will recommend my video to somebody else. So definitely help a sister out and get this video everywhere. Get this video to at least 100 likes. I know that's like a lot for me to ask for my small channel, but I'm gonna ask anyways, okay? All right, go ahead and like. I'm gonna wait. Make sure you subscribe too. I'm waiting. And I'm out of here. Peace. We're trying this again. I hope and pray nobody calls me again. All right. Out here looking crusty, rusty, and dusty out here in these streets. Y'all wasn't gonna say nothing? Y'all rude, bro. I knew I was gonna make a little mess. See, I was ready. I was out here and I was ready. I was ready to make the mess. I was ready. Love it. Like it. My man.